I welcome. So, what is insight in the Meta Business Suite? So, firstly, you have to go into the Meta Business Suite. Once you will go to the Meta Business Suite, so in the left hand, you will see an option of the insight. When you will click on the insight part, you will see the performance result and more. Like whatever the content you have put on your Facebook, your Instagram, all the results will be reflected here. Like how your content is performing and how the content can be performed in a better way, that you can take an idea from here. So the overview tab is there. In the overview tab, you can see the performance, like number of the reach is coming, the content interaction is there, the followers and the link clicks. So just let me, what is reach? This matrix count the reach from the organic or paid distribution of your Facebook content, including post, story, and ads. It may include also reach from other sources such as tags, check-ins, and page profile visit. The number also include reach from. Okay, so basically this reach content, this particular number is coming from all Facebook organic post, Facebook content, tags, and any other. So the plan option is coming. In the plan option, basically the Facebook recommend for our business some weekly plan. Set up your business. Here you can see set up your business for success by completing recommended tasks. So there are the multiple tasks. 7 tasks is given by the Facebook that we can implement on our Facebook page. Like publish one ad, publish one story on Instagram, publish one post on Facebook, publish one post on Instagram. So there are the multiple tasks that we can do, and this can be help us to increase our reach on Instagram or Facebook. So these are the plan history, like what the plans we have completed will be reflected here. And under the result section, you can see how your content is performing. So you can see the number of Facebook reach, the number of interaction, number of link clicks, visits, follows, all the things will be shown here. The audience is there. In the audience, you can see how the people, what kind of the people are showing your page. Here you can see that the Facebook reach. So currently we don't have access. You need page followers to see this domestic graphic data. Okay, so for after, if we have, like when we go to the Instagram, so in the Instagram you can see that all the audience, like we have 658 followers and 8 genders. Like our followers are basically mostly gender are 25 to 34, and the list is 54. All the gender you can see that, like number of percent is coming from a particular different age group. And here the thing is like top towns and cities. So from the Russia we are getting these views. Top country, like our view getting country is the Russia. After that India, then Turkey, Iran, United States. So from here you can identify like which age audience group is showing the content, and the top performing country, which is the top performing countries in which your content is visible. And after that messaging is there. So in the messaging you can see the number of contacts, the number of conversation started with you. And in the overview you can just see all the overview, number of reach, 3-second view, unwind view, all the things you can see in just normal or in one place. For the stories, for the post, for the reels, you can see for all. Here the content is there, the particular content you have posted will be reflected here. So under the insight section in the Meta Business Suite, you can track the performance of your content from, it can be from ads, yeah, it can be from organic source. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.